beautiful women. This is Emmie of Eloquently Emmie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do just a short eyeshadow tutorial, and I actually won't be putting it on. I'm just going to take you through the steps. But if you like to see me actually put the whole thing on in person in video, just let me know in the comments. But I just thought this was an interesting look, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you. So let me just take you back to like the first time when I received my SEINT artist box. I was looking at all the colors, and I like noticed one. I was like, it was called Bayou, and it was this teal, bright teal. It was a beautiful color, but I could never imagine in my wildest dreams putting it on my eyes. And so I had tried that one, and I liked it so much. I did it with Gold Digger, and I was really surprised. So that leads me to kind of, you know, what I'm thinking about now, just this motivation for experimentation and creativity in the eyeshadow. So yeah, I wanted to share this look, and it's inspired by this shirt that I'm wearing. Let me back up a little bit so you can see it. It is it's from Banana Republic, and it's like a little animated summer floral print. And yeah, what I like about it is I mean, I like the small print, and I like the colors. They go well with my contrasty coloring, I guess you'd say. And so what I wanted to do is create a look that would complement the shirt that I'm wearing. So yeah, so, you know, without further ado, let me take you through that. Okay, all right, so yeah, so as I said, I was motivated by the colors in my blouse, and so let me just tell you how I started off with my eyes. Of course, I put my primer on as usual, and then I went and put a little bit of vanilla dust, like a coating, so that I get a good blend. And then I went in on and lightly dipped into Cupcake and Unicorn, and just like created just a bright palette for my eyes, so I could work with that. I love the SEINT eyeshadow colors. There's just so many, and you can be so creative with them. So saying that, let's next get to the color part. So what I did after I applied my base is for all intents and purposes, I contoured my eyes with the color Lullaby. And what I did is I went in here into the crease, and then down here to carve out my eyes. And then I actually went above my natural crease to create more definition and depth, because I have hooded eyes, and that means that when your eyes are completely open, it's very hard to see your lids. So yeah, so doing that contouring really does, that's the first thing I do after I get my base on. It really adds all the depth and dimension to your eyes, and that's what I really love about it. So so the next thing I did is I went in with the colors. So here's, you know, the fun part. So I looked at the little pink flower, and I thought, oh, Twanda would be perfect with that. So Twanda is like it's a beautiful pink with a gold shimmer in it. So I put that right here with the eyeshadow brush, just worked it in, and no, actually with the smudge brush. And then the next color I put with it, right next to it, was inspired by the whole color of the shirt, this blue, which is called Rain, and I put that right next to it here, and I brought them up into the crease, kind of up and out, to bring my eyes up. That's what I'm always doing, up and out with the brushes. So yeah, so I did that. And then I took a little dab, the other side of the eyeshadow brush, and dabbed into Bayou, which you can kind of see right there. And that was inspired by the little teal flower on my shirt. And then I took the Soulmate, and I put it here. That's like champagne, and it just brings that little sparkle into your eyes, which I really like. And yeah, and then after that, I went in with Sabrina, right in the inner corners of my eyes and the tear duct, and then right underneath my eyebrows. And yeah, and then I took the detail brush and I went in with the rain because that was like the deepest color that I was wearing. And I just lightly made a line of color and connected it up into the rest of my shadow. Okay, so then I had all my color on. I was liking that. So I did my eyebrows with the kohl, which that's my favorite. I love that. And I just pencil lined in here right into my lashes. And then of course on my lashes I have my holy grail mascara, which is the waterproof L'Oreal Unlimited. Works great with my photography jobs. So I know you've heard me say that a lot, so but it does. So, and then I use the Styla waterproof black eyeliner, and I did a very thin line so that you could still see the rain there, that color. And so now let me just shut my eyes so you can see. Yeah, I really love that. It's kind of like, it's like an ombre, and it's shimmery, and it just goes really well with this outfit, and it's creative, and I just really enjoyed this look, so I wanted to share it with you. Again, yeah, if you like this, just yeah, write in the comments if you want to see how I did it in person, because I did a lot of shading, but I think that's the key, the light hand and the shading, which you know, allows you to wear such vibrant colors, but pull them off without looking like overly done. You know, it just looks pretty, and not heavy or I'm trying to think, garish or anything. It's just yeah, creative and beautiful. So yeah, so I really hope you like this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful, and I hope it inspires you to be creative with your eyeshadow look. And yeah, and you know, drop me a picture or some comments. Tell me about some of the eyeshadow looks that you like, that you've done with SEINT makeup. And yeah, so if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And again, it was such a pleasure speaking with you today, and I hope you have a fabulous day. And yeah, always remember to wear your sunscreen and to live life passionately.